Can employees suspend auto-enrollment? In addition to opt-out, employees can also decide to suspend or pause their contributions. This option will be available after the first 6 months of being enrolled. This is to give people time to adjust to the scheme before they decide to suspend contributions. Employees will be able to suspend their contributions for a minimum of 1 year, up to a maximum of 2 years. Employer and state contributions will also be paused during this time. Employees won't receive a refund of their contributions, as they'll just be taking a break from paying them. Are employees automatically re-enrolled? Employees who opt out or suspend their contributions and still meet the eligibility criteria will be automatically re-enrolled after 2 years. This is to ensure that they can continue saving as easily as possible. They'll have the option to opt out or suspend their contributions again after 6 months. For more information, you can visit our website, gov.ie/auto-enrollment. Here you'll find the latest up-to-date information, further information for employees and employers, and a list of our most frequently asked questions.